So this Thanks for tuning in to another badass episode of Driven by Gears. Today is a special day. You know why? I made 1,000K subs. Yes, finally did it. 1K. And it's good because my year comes on September 23rd. So you have to have 1,000K subs prior 12 months previous. So I'm about to hit my year, and I got my 1K. And you gotta have 4,000 hours of viewing time, which I'm at like 5,000 hours and something. So it's gonna be great, finally getting up on the YouTube channel. So, got a little new elements to show you today. First thing is first. First is this Crunch 1000 4-channel watt amplifier. I know these are not too expensive on eBay, and I wasn't going to go with some really expensive name brand because I'm kind of limited on budget right now, and I'm only going to be running one sub. But this has some pretty nice features here. It does say designed and engineered in the USA, which is pretty fucking badass. Powered by Maxsonics. So I think this bad boy will do pretty good. Also, I got me a couple of backup cameras. There's a little camera here. This is going to go in the lifted truck. I'm always having a hard time. And then this one here will go on the General. But on the license plate, you know, nothing major. These things have been around for a while now, and they're fairly cheap, about 19 bucks on eBay. You get these wireless receiver pickups. Basically plug this into that one, plug this into your stereo, wire this up to the backup lights. As soon as it reads voltage, when you put it in reverse, it will automatically illuminate this and show you the backup camera on the stereo. Also got a new stereo in. We'll show you that. Find the keys first. As you can see, Trinity's all over the place. Here's the little sub that I'm going to put in the truck. It's one I've had laying around for a while. Just a small box. I think it's 10 inches. Watch your head, Trinity. So I picked up the stereo. It's super cheap, but efficient. So we'll turn this sucker on here. And what's cool about it, it is got a small screen on it. Like, I think it's 3.5, 5 inches, something like that. Turn this down so we don't get flagged for that. But I went through the features. You know, it's only like $34 on eBay, believe it or not. But it turns out it's not really that bad. It doesn't sound too bad. It's got many features, you know, aux in, Bluetooth. It has even where it will play photos, a movie even. Yeah, it plays movies with, like, it has a USB port here, so you can scroll like a movie. So I was gonna do like a nice war movie or something when I do car shows, playing in here, Saving Private Ryan or something, since this is kind of, you know, a military type truck. And that humming is really annoying. Let's push that down. There we go. So, and I changed the color to green since everything else is green on here, and it has the option for the backup camera, all that. You can scroll photos too through it. You know, this is pretty much wanted it for the backup camera and to have a little entertainment going on during car shows. You know, nothing major in here. It's not a daily driver, so it's not like I'm listening to the radio all the time like I am the lifted Z71. Anyway, this is a nice little featured radio for cheap if you're on a nice small budget. And it's, you know, goes green with all the rest of the colors in here, as you can see. So still got the lid here to do on the center console. Forgot to mention, I bought this foam big gap filler to use for the center console. What I'm going to do is flip it over on the inside. I'm going to actually take this, spray it all up on the inside, let it expand and fill in all the gaps and crevices, and that way I ain't going to have no rattles, rings. You'll just kind of fill it in. It's easy. If you need to pull that shit back out, it's not that bad. So alright, so that about does it with the new upcoming videos you're going to see with all the new stuff that I've gained. You were wondering about those speakers that I got. They were JVC 300 watt 6.5s. They come in 2s in the box on eBay. They're only like 49 bucks. You know, good enough for me for now is just to add a little bit extra treble in the truck. And once I get the engine and stuff all synced up and going, it'll be pretty loud. As you can see over here, here's all my engine stuff. This is the 350, the transmission, all the stuff over here off the 350. Heads, torque converter, intake, manifold, valve covers, everything there. So once it gets a little bit cooler, I'm going to start working on that motor and overhauling it myself. We're going to even do the electrolysis on it. So stay tuned for videos for the electrolysis. That will be pretty epic. I've watched a couple of videos on that, and if you've never seen electrolysis or read up on it, it's a very interesting way to clean motors and stuff. So I'm going to attempt it myself, see what happens. I'm going to do the overhaul myself just to get more footage for the channel. Also, another thing that's to come is this military box that I got from Omaha's Military Supply. I'm going to totally, you know, sand it down and paint it with this olive drab green paint, and then put some military decals on it to give it that theme of it walked right out of a military base, which it is technically a real military base crate. So there's no telling where it's been, what war it's been into, what truck it's been on, blood splattered. There's just no damn telling what's on that thing. I mean, you can even scratch and sniff it and it smells like freedom. Smells like America. But stay tuned for more content on the channel to come. I'm going to try to upload more videos now that I've hit 1K subs, so I can get my viewing up. And we'll try to keep these short films under 15 minutes to 10 minutes, around in there. And then also, if you want to start a mail time with me, you want to send me your decals, any kind of thing in the mail, I will just comment below and I'll send you. Alright, so I wanted to give a shout out to Straight 86 Fan. He's at 674 subscribers. He's a car guy like me. Make sure and subscribe to his channel if you haven't. It's called Offbeat Hot Rodding. Straight 86 Fan. Pretty cool dude. Lives in Kansas City. As you can see, some of his videos here, he's got quite a bit that are pretty interesting, so make sure and hit the subscribe on his channel. I'll leave the description below for the link to his channel. Make sure and hit it. You a link on the address and so forth. Anyway, hope y'all have a good weekend. And it's raining here, so, and humid, so hopefully your weekend will be better optimal temperature than mine, but we'll still get stuff done. So anyway, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Appreciate all the subs out there and the comments and the love. And as always, what do we say? Keep it simple. Keep it sweet.